What you see here is the new workwear supply system in the hospital of Lüneburg, north of Germany, close to Hamburg. The main feature of our new room solution are the two revolving doors. By leaving the room through these revolving doors, the picked workwear is booked on the employee's account. The whole supply process, entering the room, picking the workwear, leaving the room, takes just about 20 seconds, which is a lot faster or quicker than other or former solutions. In Deister Electronic, we found a partner who realized our vision of a new laundry supply system. The employees and we are very satisfied, and we would choose the same way again.